Lab video explaining the parallel circuit. Alright, so first things first, we have our power source over here. I have my 5 volt, which is the red wire. My ground wire is the black wire. Coming over to my breadboard. My red, which is my 5 volt, goes into my positive side of the power bus. Black, which is ground, goes into the ground side of the power bus. This brings power to my power bus, which I can then transfer over into this area of my breadboard using this resistor. So this resistor is a 220 ohm resistor, which decreases the amount of electrical energy, which will eventually come to my LED. So my resistor brings power to this row here, which goes to my first switch. And that switch then transfers power once you press that switch. Turns on the LED. Resistor brings power to the switch. Switch moves or closes the circuit, bringing power to this row here, which is then transferred to this blue wire, which brings the electrical current down to this row, to the positive side of the LED. So we're going to press that circuit, or press that switch. Power is moved from power bus over to the breadboard to the switch. Switch is closed, closing the circuit, brings power from this row down to this row, carried down by the blue wire and into the LED. The LED is then transferring electrical current through this row to this yellow wire, which completes the circuit into the ground. Alright, the second switch, the resistor again bringing power from the power bus over to this row, to this yellow wire, which comes down to the same row as the second switch. Again, depressing that switch closes the circuit, which brings power from this row down to this row. That electrical current is carried by this red wire to the LED, and again the LED is moving electric current through to this yellow wire, which again grounds, completing the circuit. Alright, now both switches being pressed at the same time can still light up the LED. Last time, going through the resistor, again brings power over to the resistor brings power over to this row here, and all these rows and columns are connected. So, bring power to this row here, which is in line with this blue wire, which is in line with switch 1. That's carrying electricity down from switch 1. And the yellow wire bringing electricity from the resistor's row down to the second switch. So we have two different circuits, which is why it's a parallel circuit, which is why both switches bring power to the LED or